Good evening, Sabiha. How you doing?
I'm good, thank you, Rekha. Good to see you.
Yeah, likewise. So we were just before the call, we were reminiscing about the workshop that I did a number of years ago. And we were talking about how a number of people have been asking me to redo them. What do you remember of the workshop we did together?
Oh, it was fantastic. I mean, I think just as well as the content, the location, sort of being with that group of people and just kind of being able to very openly share struggles and just be very authentic and very honest about what was going on. Having the space to do that was brilliant.
And do you remember any of the tools that you took away and used after the
Yeah,
workshop?
absolutely. And I know that they were helpful because I was one of those people that sort of kept asking you when you were going to be running another one. And I think it was kind of exploring those core beliefs and just understanding that actually you can flip them, and that you do have the power to actually change what you're thinking and the impact that that can have on the decisions that you make and on how you feel about struggles moving forward because life is always going to present challenges and it's sort of we can't control that as much as we can control actually how do we be the best version of ourselves to manage those hurdles that life throws at us.
That is awesome. How would you feel about recommending this workshop to other parents or carers?
For sure. Yeah, I would definitely recommend it. I think as parent carers, we're always at the bottom of the list, aren't we? And so, there's always something else that needs doing and we put our needs on the back burner and we keep putting ourselves at the bottom of the list. And it's kind of understanding that actually just taking out this couple of days, taking out a day, taking out the time to do this workshop is actually going to help you to navigate all of the rest of that stuff. And so it's an investment in yourself and it's really important to prioritize it. And I would definitely recommend the workshop to other parents.
Thank you so much for such an eloquent synopsis of your experience, Sabia. And I will let you have a lovely evening. So thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. Thank
Take
you. All the
care.
best.
Bye.
Bye.